Imagine you're trying to guess someone's favorite movie genre just by looking at their friends' choices. That's the idea behind one of the simplest and smartest machine learning algorithms, Nearest Neighbors or KNN. Hey, it's Pankaj here. In this video, we'll break it down in a way that even a layman could understand. Ever wondered how your streaming app figures out what movie you'll love next? Let's say you're Netflix. A new user signs up. Based on the age and movie preferences of their nearest existing users, you recommend what they're likely to enjoy. That's KNN in action, personalized recommendations, smart and fast. That's KNN at work. K Nearest Neighbors. Don't worry, I'll break it down super simply. Imagine you walk into a party where you know nobody. You spot 3 people who are all wearing Marvel t-shirts just like you. You're more likely to chat with them, right? That's basically how KNN works. KNN is like the friendly neighbor algorithm. It looks at the closest data points to figure things out. Let's say you want to predict if someone likes superhero movies. You find the 3 people at the party most similar to them. Maybe they're the same age, have similar hobbies, or dress alike. Here's a simple example. Imagine those 3 people are like data points. One is 20 years old and loves comics. Another is 22 and likes action movies, and the third is 21 and enjoys both comics and action movies. KNN checks how close they are to you by comparing things like age and hobbies. The more similar they are, the closer their data points are, just like measuring the distance between you and them at the party. If 2 out of 3 love superhero movies, there's a good chance our new friend will too. Now let's break down how KNN works step by step so you can see exactly what's happening behind the scenes. Step 1. Choose the number of neighbors called K. This is how many people or data points you look at to make your decision. Step 2. Calculate the distance between your new data point and all the others. This could be Euclidean distance or Manhattan distance or another method. Step 3. Pick the K nearest data points, the ones that are closest to your new point, for example, the ones highlighted by circles. Step 4. Pick the label that most of the closest neighbors belong to. In our example, it is category A. It just checks who's closest in terms of data. It's like asking your 3 closest friends who have similar movie tastes what they liked recently. If 2 of them say Inception, that's probably a good pick for you too. It's super handy for beginners because you don't need to know all the math behind it to use it well. So next time you see a recommendation pop up, remember, there's a little KNN magic behind it, working just like you do when you find your crowd at a party. Got more questions about KNN or data science in general? Drop them in the comments. And if this helped, hit like and subscribe for more easy, fun explanations. See you next time. How can a computer decide if a fruit is an apple or an orange just by looking at its neighbors? That's the KNN algorithm in action.